Welcome to Module 1 of our Microsoft PowerPoint course for early childhood educators. In this module, we'll introduce you to Microsoft PowerPoint, a powerful tool that can help you create engaging and interactive presentations for your young learners. We'll be using a practical example throughout this course, creating an activity called How Many Animals, where we'll introduce sounds that correspond with pictures. Example, a chicken, and create a chart of correct answers. By the end of this module, you'll understand what PowerPoint is and how it can benefit you and your learners. Let's get started. What is Microsoft PowerPoint? Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software that allows you to create slideshows composed of a series of individual slides. It is a fantastic tool for presenting information. You can display text, images, videos, and audio to convey information effectively. Interactive learning. PowerPoint supports animations and interactive elements that make learning fun. Engaging activities. You can create activities and games that encourage learner participation. For this course, we will create an activity for learners called How Many Animals? PowerPoint will enable us to display pictures of animals, play corresponding sounds, and engage children in counting and recognizing animals. Why use PowerPoint in early childhood education? Visual learning. Young children are visual learners. PowerPoint allows you to incorporate images and videos that capture their attention. Auditory learning. Incorporating sounds and audio can enhance understanding and retention. Interactive engagement. Animations and interactive elements keep children engaged and make learning enjoyable. Benefits for educators. Easy to use. PowerPoint is user-friendly even for beginners. Versatile. You can customize presentations to suit any lesson or activity. Time-saving. Once created, presentations can be reused and adapted for future lessons. Overview of the course. Throughout this course, we'll cover the following modules: Introduction to Microsoft PowerPoint, Getting Started and the Interface, Choosing a design and inserting and formatting text, Inserting and working with images, video, shapes, and smart art, Inserting and working with audio, Inserting and working with tables, Printing, page layout, and slideshow settings. We'll build upon our How Many Animals activity in each module, so by the end of the course, you'll have a complete, interactive presentation ready to use in your classroom. Thank you for joining us in this introductory module. You're on your way to enhancing your teaching tools and creating exciting learning experiences for your learners. In Module 2, we'll dive into getting started with PowerPoint and understanding its interface.